something straight out of a Hollywood movie. Ba-da-da-da-da-dum. No spoilers, please. Ba-da-da-da-da-dum. No spoilers, please. Baby, take my hand. I want you to be my husband, 'cause you're my Iron Man, and I love you 3,000. Ever since that day, I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. And when we're bored, we play in the woods, always on the run from Captain Hook. Run, run, lost boy, they say to me, away from all of reality. Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free.
Whose bad idea was this, trying to fix something that wasn't broken? Late at night, missing the little things, something as simple as baby, come hold me. But I can't forget the way you taste. So I pour another shot, and I pretend that it's your lips, chase you down another round until I taste your whiskey kiss. When you laugh at 2 a.m., you know that I'll be up at 5. Let me be your tomorrow tonight. Let me be your tomorrow tonight. Let me be your tomorrow tonight. Your tomorrow. Your tomorrow tonight. Let me be your tomorrow tonight.
Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I'd stay for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with